Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Accord LX. You will have the full LED headlights and daytime running lights. You'll have the all-weather floor mats in the front as well as in the back. You'll have steering wheel controls to be able to cycle through your media source, change volume, answer your phone calls. You'll also have the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. You'll also have road departure mitigation as well as forward collision braking system. You'll be able to plug up your music through Bluetooth. You'll also be able to play music through USB. You'll have dual climate control. You'll have a USB port and power port. Econ mode for fuel efficient driving, electronic parking brake, and a brake hold feature. In the center console, you'll have an additional power port. Place to store your sunglasses. Moving into the back seat. All-weather floor mats. You'll have a capless fuel filler. You will have a backup camera which features 3 different viewing angles. The all-weather cargo tray. And under here, you'll have your spare tire set. You'll also be able to fold down the rear seats. This is the 2019 Honda Accord LX. I'm Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda. Please give me a call, 334-417-0406.